concept in biology, and that is the concept on nutrition. So first, when we know what is nutrition, we must know what do you mean by or what does food refers to. So food is any substance taken up by only living organisms to get energy, and that energy is required for the growth and development of the cells and to do various processes like reproduction, respiration, excretion. So all these processes require energy, and that energy is when we get that energy by eating the food. And not only the food, but we need to have a balanced diet. A balanced diet refers to the equal amounts of all the nutrients. So we can say that the food contains the nutrients, and when nutrients are taken in proper amounts in required quantities, it is referred to as a balanced diet. Those nutrients can be proteins, carbohydrates, fats, minerals and water also. So when we have a balanced diet, we have proper growth of our body, and though all these nutrients are found in the food. And now we can talk about the nutrition. So we can say that the process by which we can digest the food, or first we can say that the process by which we can take in the food and then digest that food to get energy, that energy is required by the growth, for the growth and development by living organisms. The process is referred to as the nutrition. So the process of getting the food or eating the food, digesting the food is referred to as the nutrition. These small concepts, nutrients, food, nutrition, are very important because we must know what are the bases of human life. Because we cannot imagine a life without the nutrients or without the food. So we can say that the process by which the utilization of the food takes place to get the energy from that food is referred to as the nutrition. And there are two modes or two methods of nutrition, and these two methods are the autotrophic or the heterotrophic. In the autotrophic nutrition, it refers to those organisms who can make their own food. The best example is the green plants, because green plants with the help of photosynthesis can make their own food. Whereas in heterotrophic nutrition, the animals basically human beings cannot prepare their own food. They have to depend on the other plants for their food. So heterotrophic refers to those organisms which cannot make their own food, and autotrophic refers to those organisms which can prepare their own food. So this was the concept of nutrition.